Hey there, Amazon shoppers. It's Amy from 911 Studios, and today we are talking about our favorite vacuum cleaners on Amazon. This is actually not a vacuum cleaner, it is a carpet cleaner. This is the Bissell Revolution Max Clean Pet Pro. You guys, this is what you need if you have those heavy-duty pet stains. Or this is great too, just if you do a lot of tracking in and out, maybe you moved in to an older place and the carpets aren't great. This is just gonna be great for lifting that really set in stains, urine, dirt, allergens, all that kind of stuff. This is gonna lift it. It's really amazing because it has two different modes. There's the Pro Max mode. That's gonna be your heavy duty lifting. There's actually 12 rolls of brushes that are gonna really get in there, suck up all of that gunk, all of the nasty stuff, and leave your carpets looking like new. But really cool. Sometimes you don't have time to do the heavy cleaning and do the heavy, you can't walk on wet carpets all the time. You can't have more pets and kids and everybody running in and out, and it's not always practical to do the full cleaning. But Bissell thought of everything, and they have their express cleaning mode as well. And this will take you from going over your carpets to them being dry 30 minutes later. So a lot more feasible to do. It's something that you can really fit in your schedule regularly and have the cleanest carpets, really maintain them, keep them clean, keep your allergies at bay, really knock down on all of that pet grossness, and keep your carpets amazing. Bissell's a great company. They make amazing vacuum cleaners, really high quality and durable, and you guys can always feel good about buying from Bissell because when you do, they make a donation to their pet foundation for finding homes for homeless pets. So it's just a win-win-win. Go ahead and put this in your cart. You'll be happy you did.